In this video, I will show you how to hide icons on your desktop on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if like myself you have a lot of desktop icons and it looks quite messy and you just want to hide these to clean up your desktop, then to do this all you need to do is right click onto a blank space of your desktop, and on this menu that comes up you want to hover over View. Once you've done that, you're going to see a sub menu come up, and you're going to see an option which says show desktop icons. So you can see this currently has a tick next to it, but if you go ahead and select this option, this is going to hide your desktop icons. To make your desktop icons reappear on your desktop, all you need to do again is right click onto your desktop, hover over View, and again select the option to show desktop icons, which is going to bring your desktop icons back onto your desktop. So that's how to hide desktop icons on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.